केपेचो रुद्र चैतन्य दलाल नेटान स्केटिंग प्रॅक्टिस करतना हांगा दिसता. ताणें हालींच बेळगांवां जाल्ल्या इव्हेंटान एक सारकें 51 वरां स्केटिंग करून रिकॉर्ड केला. ह्या कार्यावळीन देशभरांतल्यान 400 भुरगे वांटेकार जाल्ले. गोंयांतल्यान रुद्र एकटोच वांटेकार आशिल्लो. ताका आतां राष्ट्रीय मळार स्केटिंगांत मेडल जोडपाचो ध्यास. तातूंत ताजो कोच सतीश शेटये ताका मजत करता.
हांव स्केटिंग शिकता आनी म्हाका म्हजी मा पापा आनी तिगांय सपोर्ट करता आनी हो म्हजो सर तो म्हाका शिकयता आनी म्हाका आतां व्हडलो जावन नॅशनल मेडल घेवंक.
It is 51 hours world record, and he was the first Goan to take part in it. And he has done around 19 hours of skating with a gap of 1 or 2 hours break in between. It was in Belagavi, conducted by Shivganga Roller Skating Club on first, second, and third. It was very good event, beautiful event. Now we are planning for Guinness Book of Record, that is in November. Plus our main aim is to win a national medal for Goa state. And this record is covered by India Book of Record, World Book Record, Limca Book of Record, Extreme World Record, and Indian Young Achievers. Around 7 books and records are lost.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दत्तराज नायक.